Good morning guys, it is Saturday. We've just taken a massive drive from Noosa, an hour and a half down the motorway to Brisbane Airport. We've just dropped off our car back at the car hire place and we're now at the terminal about to go in and check in for our flight up to our next destination. And everyone's a little bit excited right now. Right, Boo Boo? Yeah, everyone's very excited. Although I've got a wife who's suffering super bad in the background here right now. Morning sickness is a killer at the minute, although it's turning into all day sickness, which really sucks. Anyway guys, we're gonna go get our bags checked in and we'll check back with you once we're inside. On a scale of 1 to 100, how bad do you feel right now?
111.
Here we go girls, here we go!
Yay!
Prosopine, here we come!
But we're not going home yet.
Not yet, Boo Boo!
It looks like we're going home.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Ready, Isla?
Yeah.
Off we go! You okay, girl? Yeah? See you later.
A cool 30 degrees!
Oh, why did I put my jumper on? It's freezing there. My feet were freezing. And now I'm nice and warm.
Oh, it's boiling! It's so nice here, girls!
So I am finally at about 20 to 4. Is it about 20 to 4? Just gonna have through something like that. Starting to feel human and like I can actually talk today. We just checked into our hotel room here, or apartment, huge apartment actually, here at the Whitsundays. I am literally so excited to be here, it's not even funny. So I think I mentioned right at the start of this trip, when it comes to booking this Australian mega adventure, we had no idea what we were doing. We had no idea where to go. We had no like one to ask for advice or anything like that. And the only place we probably would have gone would have been like maybe Sydney or something, because that's the only place, I got something wrong on my face. That's the only place we know. But we went to STA Travel and they put together a package together. They're like a travel company who have been and have experience in knowing where's amazing to go for families and things like that. Is it awesome? Yeah. I'm so excited. So we left it in their hands. They literally booked the whole thing for us and yeah, they just booked everything. So we everywhere we go is a surprise, which is so exciting. And we just literally paid and left it up to them to do. And we trusted them and I'm so glad that we did. This apartment is mega. We don't actually have long here in the Whitsundays, but we did just want to come just to see it because it's meant to be absolutely incredible. We've got today, tomorrow, and then we leave the next day. So we've really only got like a full day tomorrow, the rest of today, and a little bit of the next day. Anyway, I thought I'd just do you a very quick room tour. I'll start up here. Oh my gosh, this place is so nice. I wish we had longer here. Right, girlies, are you all dressed? Because I'm about to come in. Are you in the bathroom? Okay, I won't come in the bathroom. Okay, so here's the door. You walk in. Right here, we have a bathroom. Oh, is that open? Oh my goodness, there's a net there, that's okay. I was thinking spiders would come in. Bathroom, then here we've got a bedroom with a double bed and a single. What's that? That's a wardrobe. Really nice. Look outside, it's so tropical, I love it. Then if you come out here, is the door closed, Isla?
No.
Okay. I'm just going to skip past Isla and go around here. Oh, fab! So there's a double bed in here, which is gorgeous. Look, oh my gosh, look how big this balcony is. It goes the whole way around the whole apartment, right?
Yeah.
Another bathroom here, which Isla's using, so we won't go in there. We come down here, what are these? Oh my gosh, yes. We can do some washing, that's good. And then in here, we've got like an extra pillow. And then round here, we've got a huge living area. Oh, it's okay, sweetheart. I'm sure people don't want to see the toilet. A nice big kitchen area, a living area here, a dining area here, and then outside, guys.
No, you're not ready for outside.
No. Oh my gosh.
Hold on. Balcony wraps around the whole place first.
I know, yeah, so our...
So it goes all the way around.
That's our bedroom.
But then you've got this view.
Oh my gosh,
You've got this view of the marina.
incredible. Look at all the pools.
And then you've got all these infinity pools down
Look at all the infinity pools. Are they for us to use?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I want to get in there right now. It looks so ridiculously beautiful. Look at all the boats. The camera's not even picking it up, guys. It's literally more like that to our eye. It looks amazing. I'm so happy right now. So we just left our apartment and have walked down into Ali Beach town, and we stopped by McDonald's to get milkshakes, although the milkshake, they only do vanilla milkshake here, or at this one anyway. So Chris got a vanilla milkshake, me and Isabelle got a frap, and Esme and Isla, they got like a slush puppy thing with ice cream on top. And now we've come down to a lagoon, which is right at the side of the beach. We only have about an hour, maybe not even that, before the sun's due to go down. But look how beautiful this looks. It's cold.
It's not that bad.
So this is right at the side of the beach, and it's like a big outdoor lagoon.
That bad.
It looks lovely.
Can I film me running? I'm gonna run.
Okay. Is it nice?
They are loving life right now.
They are definitely loving life.
Woo! It's cold.
Tidal waves are nice.
It's nice.
We got one little one out. You cold now, miss?
Yeah, they're playing Granny.
Who's playing Granny?
Isabelle, Esme's on.
They're playing Granny in the water. You girls are obsessed with Granny.
I'm obsessed with Slenderina.
Who?
I like Slenderina.
Slenderina.
That's her daughter. And,
Oh.
and Slenderman is her husband.
Slenderman. Slenderina. And Slender Granny.
No, so Slenderman, Slenderina and Granny.
Right, okay. Well, the sun's gone down. But these two are still having way too much fun.
They're not coming out for nobody.
They're not coming out for no one. I mean, even I'm getting chilly sat here and I'm not wet, so they are going to be freezing walking back to the hotel.
Come on, you little water babies.
I beat Isabelle.
It's time to get out now. Was that fun?
Yeah.
I didn't think you guys were ever going to get out until I basically told you to get out, which is kind of true. Did you have a lot of fun, babe?
Yeah.
Yes, mate, you look like you've gone blue. Is it cold in there? Is it warm?
Well, it gets warm.
Yeah? You get used to it?
Yeah.
Hey, gorgeous, you alright? Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Oh, what's like it over the bridge? Is it deep?
Yeah, it's really deep.
Yeah? You made some friends?
No.
Oh, I thought you were playing with some other girls. My bad. Oh, okay.
I was like, no.
No. Right, guys, let's get dressed and we're going to get some dinner.
So we just got back to our hotel room after a lovely stroll along Early Beach. I'm getting very confused with all these names. Early Beach, that's where we are, yes. Down the front where all the little shops are and the restaurants, and it was all lit up. It's really lovely and it's just bustling with life. and we grabbed a quick bite to eat and made our way back to the hotel room. It's about 8:30, 9 p.m, something like that right now, and we are all going to bed because I am completely exhausted and I really want the girls to have a good night's sleep tonight too. Obviously Chris has got to stay up and do some editing, but me and the girls are all going to sleep now because we just booked, just before we left for the Lagoon, the most exciting day trip ever for tomorrow. Literally, if you guys know of the Whitsundays, or if you guys have heard of them, or you've been here, then you might know what trip we're doing. But it's going to be so much fun, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited to explore these tiny little islands, the Great Barrier Reef, and just go exploring. I'm really excited. I won't tell you all exactly what the trip is, but we are being picked up at 6:30, I think it was. 6:30, so I'm guessing it's not going to be a great morning for me, but we're in the most amazing place ever and I'm super grateful, so no moaning from me. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. I think it's probably been quite a short vlog today. I'm not too sure what we've filmed, but we've been travelling quite a lot, so I apologise if it's been a bit of a boring one, but tomorrow will definitely not be a boring vlog, and I actually cannot wait to share our day with you guys. So we will see you back here. Oh, I need to do a shout out actually. I need to do a shout out for one of our IFAM that we saw today. So a big shout out to Lily and Hannah. We met your mum and your sister today in McDonald's, but they said that you girls didn't want to come for a walk and you missed getting a selfie with us, which I'm super sad about, and I know you girls are too because your mum messaged me on Facebook. But thank you girls so much for watching our videos, and we appreciate it so much, and hopefully one day we'll get to meet you. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you all tomorrow at 5 p.m for a really exciting vlog. Good night.